Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use CapCut templates for viral videos. So first, you just have to simply install and launch your CapCut application. And then what you're going to do here is you have to create an account. And then here in CapCut, you will see here a templates section. And all you have to do is to browse that specific template that you want to use. Actually, there is template for marketing, there's template for traveling. Okay, so it depends on the category that you type right here. So you can search for templates if you go to the search icon, or you can browse, scroll down here, and then look for the template that you like. For example, this one. What you're going to do here is you will see the preview. Once you like it, what you're going to do is tap use template button and then import that picture or videos that you wanted to add right here. After that, click the next button. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is loading the effects, and you will see the result right away. Okay, so you can also add audio right here, or you can change the picture or video if you want. Now, once done, what you're going to do next is you have to click this export. Then you will have your two options right here. If you want to export without watermark, then you need to export this and post this to your TikTok application or not. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.